Again, they are gonna be posting this thing in their group. Again, they'll... Hey guys, this is your Chetan and welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing great. I've come up with a new unboxing of earphones. So this was placed on last Monday, but I received it on yesterday. But still, I just thought of logging today because yesterday the office work was really very more, and there was some offer running up in the JBL website. So the price of this JBL model is T160 BT. So the price of this is 2499, but I paid somewhere around 1299 rupees for this in offer. So that's the best price because JBL never keeps offer in their website. If you're buying it from Amazon or if you're buying it from Flipkart, then yes, definitely you'll be getting a very good deal. That too in especially festival times. Leaving festival times, if you're buying, then hardly you're gonna be getting somewhere around 10%. And if you have ICICI credit card of Amazon, then 5% cashback will be there. So let's not waste the time. Let's unbox this. Already the unboxing has been done yesterday itself, but I didn't open this because of vlogging purpose. So today I opened it finally. I can't throw this here because I stay in gated community. Again, they are gonna be posting this thing in their group. Again, they'll call me for committee meeting and all stuff. So here it is. This is pure bass zero cable. So they have a tagline, dare to listen. Yes, JBL is JBL. When you're holding this box itself, the feel of the headphones will be in the next level. So let me read out for you people. So the model name is JBL T160 BT BLU blue. Okay, and this was imported on April 2021. So country of manufacture, it's made in China. So, and this is magnetic cable management, and rest all it's not mentioned here. I have to search now where they would have mentioned. So here it is, wireless pure bass sound, hands-free calls. So after a long time I'm unboxing JBL. It's been almost like more than a year, I think. So before that I was using JBL C100. That was my last unboxing. I have done a video. I'll be mentioning the link in the I button. You can just go through. So I have received one orange color cable, a normal charging cable, not C type. And here are spare earbuds, and finally comes up with Bluetooth wireless earphones. And here is some user manual guides and all. So I don't want to write any exams and all, so let me not read all that because I have used JBL before this also. And this is magnetic stuff, and this is pure plastic fiber material. One side the JBL brand is mentioned, and one more side the symbol is being mentioned. So slightly bend is there, I mean to say the tilt is there for the comfort wise. So I think this is going to be right and this is going to be left. I have put ulta. So it will be like this. Blue color looks really awesome, and there are three colors in this model. One is black, one more is white, and one more is blue. So let me not waste the time. Let me switch on this and listen the songs. So here is charging port. So half an hour of charge. So 6 hours of music can be listened or any calls can be taken in this. So this side it's going to be like press and minus volume button, and this is for pause as well as receiving the calls. Usually JBL provides black color, so this is the first time I'm seeing orange color charging cable, and on that the JBL brand is being mentioned. I hope the charge is there. Yes, it is there. The beep sound came on, and now it's time to connect with my phone. So where is JBL 160 BT? Yes, here it is. Pair. So let me pair this. I got a beep again. So now it is connected, ready to play. Let me go for YouTube. Look out for some good songs. I usually listen to workout motivational songs because most of the time whenever I'm working out, then only I'm gonna be using earphones or earbuds or headphones. So let me listen to the gym songs itself, motivational songs. Let me give full volume. JBL sound clarity output is completely different compared to other brands. Of course, bass will be in the next level. Whoever is using JBL and whoever the fan of JBL brand, they'll be definitely knowing what is the output of JBL. It's just amazing, guys. After using both, yes, JBL is JBL, but compared to the price with both, yes, JBL is bit expensive. The same neckband, if you're going up with both, then you're gonna be paying somewhere around $899. So this $1,299 I paid. Leaving that, sound is just amazing, and the comfortness of this buds are entirely different compared to other brands. It's perfectly sitting inside. Just look at this, slightly bent as I told you. It just goes inside and sits completely in the ear. So that is one best part. And when it's throwing the bass output, that is the next level. You can't hear any of the surrounding sound or surrounding disturbance, I can say. Usually neckband, this part, it's gonna be like quite thick. It is not gonna be flexible, but in this it's completely flexible. You can rotate it. It's a proper wire made. So usually this part, it's something, it is gonna be stiff in other brands, but in this, yes, you can just fold it like this way and you can just throw it in the back. Other neckbands can't be folded like this. So that is one speciality of JBL. And sound clarity, guys, you can't compare with any other brand. After this, I personally recommend that Bose is the amazing speakers, but service wise it's worst. So in India, hardly people are buying Bose, but coming to JBL service wise, it's amazing. If you just take to the nearby service center, authorized JBL service center, if there is some issue within a year, then company will replace it with free of cost. Anyhow, guys, whatever I needed to show and explain to you people, I have done it. For the latest updates, please do follow Instagram. I'll be mentioning the link in the description. If you people like this vlog, please do like, share and comment. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.